Vcore customers. All of our Vcore products will go through 5 to 7 days of inspection before package. The modules is 3 days aging test. The screens is another 2 days aging test. And finally, the salesman will conduct the last inspection before shipping to ensure that each catalyst is in the most perfect form to the customers. We grading all our display modules pass for 2 or 3 years warranty. During this time, we will replace or amend all of our codes for free if there is something wrong with them. We provide lifetime maintenance and change only for the raw materials.